So, if your YouTube is not working on your smart TV, let's talk about it. Here are some fixes you can try. First, restart everything. Close the YouTube app, turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This alone fixes a lot of random glitches. Second, check your internet connection. Open another app like Netflix and see if it loads. If nothing connects, restart your Wi Fi router. Slow or unstable internet is usually the main problem. Third, update the app. Go to your TV's app store and check if your YouTube has an available update. Outdated versions can stop working properly. Fourth, clear cache if your TV allows it. On Android based TVs like Android TV, you just go to settings, apps, YouTube, and then clear cache. And if it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall the app. What really matters is this: most YouTube issues are either internet related or outdated software. Try these steps one by one, and you should be good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.